Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our online class from Cantonment Public School and College, Sohitpur Nilphamari. I am Muhammad Mohaiminul Kabir, senior teacher. Already we have discussed some grammatical points. That grammatical points was transformation of sentence. According to my class, I would like to continue that class also today. Today we are going to discuss comparison of adjective. I have written some sentences on the board. Look at the whiteboard. Dear students, I have written two sentences in here. One is he is a good man and another is he is good. In here we use two adjectives in here, good, in here also good, and this good qualifies man, it's called attributive adjective, and this adjective qualifies he and it's called predicative adjective. According to type of this adjective, whenever we compare, that time we call it degree, and there are three types of degree. Number one, positive degree, number two, superlative degree, and number three, superlative degree. There are three types of degree, and I have written some examples in here, such as good, better, best, small, smaller, smallest, fine, finer, finest, big, bigger, biggest, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, bad, worse, worse. Just like this, there are so many comparison of adjectives are available in different grammar books. You will study, then you will get so many comparison of adjectives. Okay, dear learners, today we will learn how can we transform from one form to another form. That means how can we transform positive degree to comparative degree to superlative, etc. We will learn these things today. Dear learners, I am going to write these sentences in here. For example, superlative form, maybe January is the coldest month in our country, and its comparative form, comparative. First of all, we will write subject in here, January, then verb is, and its comparative form is colder. Then we have to write than, any other, then remaining part of the sentence. Remaining part of the sentence is, what is in here? Month in our country. So I am going to write month in our country. Before superlative degree we use the. Whenever we transform it into comparative form, that time we omitted the and we write superlative form in here, comparative form, then any other, then remaining part of the sentence, month in our country, then it will be comparative form. And whenever we transform it into positive degree, then what it will be? First of all, we write no other, then Object in here, what is object in here? Month. No other, month. And remaining part, what is? In our country. No other, month in our country. Then verb is as or so. Then its comparative form. Its comparative form, cold. Cold. As subject. Subject in here, January. January. Okay. In this way, we can transform it into positive. It is the basic rule of changing from superlative to comparative to positive. If you get this sentence positive form, then it will be comparative form this, and if you get the comparative form this, then its superlative form will be this. It is the first rule for changing superlative to comparative to positive degree. And whenever you get any other type of superlative form, that means superlative, maybe one of the, whenever you will get in any sentence is one of the, then what you will do to transform it into comparative and positive degree. For example, superlative, maybe Maria is one of the most intelligent girls in our class. Then its comparative form will be comparative form. First of all, subject Maria is most intelligent. Its comparative form will be more intelligent. Then in here will be most other, then remaining part of the sentence, most other girls in our class, most other girls in our class. Okay, then its positive form will be, first of all we write very few, then object in here what? Girls, then remaining part, very few girls in our class. Verb will be in here, one, that thing you have to remember, plural verb, are. So or as, its comparative for most beautiful, most intelligent, more intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. So in here will be intelligent. As subject Maria. Okay, in this way we can transform it into superlative to comparative to positive degree. These are the basic two rules, and you have to remember and you practice it. Sometimes we get some other type of sentence that also we need to know. I am going to write that sentence also on the board. You look at this. Whenever you get positive degree, maybe positive, Rakin is as tall as Sakin. Then what will be its comparative form? Its comparative form will be, you have to write the last subject in here, Sakin. Sakin, Rakin is. Sakin is, then in here not, its comparative form taller. Taller than Rakin. Okay, but whenever you get its affirmative form, then you change it into comparative form in this way. Whenever you will get the negative form, then what it will be? Positive. Positive. Maybe Salma is not as beautiful as Rekha. Okay. Then last subject Rekha. Rekha is more beautiful. Beautiful as Rekha is as beautiful as Salma. Okay, in this way we can transform it into positive to comparative form. Comparative. Whenever you get some other type of sentence, maybe whenever you will get as soon as, maybe positive degree, positive as soon as we reach the station, the train left. As soon as we reach the station, the train left. Then what you will do to transform it into positive to comparative form? In here, comparative form will be no sooner than verb. It's a past tense, so, and it also past tense, so it will be past perfect. Then in a had, then subject we, past participle reached the station. In here we have to write then the train left. The train left. Okay. In this way, you can transform it into positive to comparative form. Okay. Dear students, in this way you will practice more and more sentence from different grammar books, and if you practice, then you will be sufficient. Today I suggest you to practice such type of sentence from different grammar books, and if you practice more and more sentence, you will be sufficient to transform positive degree to comparative degree and superlative degree. Today I would like to give you thanks. Till then, and again we will come another grammar class. Okay, thank you.